Okay guys, we're back. Battery's fully charged, and I wasn't happy with the amount of rust that was still in the tank, so I drilled out the 3 rivets that hold the filler neck to the fuel tank, and I'll do some explaining about soldering right now. So the underside of this filler neck, we can see the solder does have a pretty good grip here, but not here. Here it's pretty good, and then we start to lose it here, and that's just due to rust. So I noticed that when the filler neck was in place, there was a crack in the solder along here, and that would have led to leakage. And you know, nobody likes to lose money by throwing fuel on the ground, but worse yet, it could lead to a fire, and then you lose the whole truck. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this filler neck, and I've already started to clean the embossment where the filler neck sits, and I'm gonna have to come back to the filler neck another day because I got to put this in some evapor rust, and I don't like the rust scale on the inside of that. So anyway, in the meantime, I can go ahead and do some other things to it, such as clean the paint off. I'm gonna turn it over, and there was another leak right about in this area here, and I think that it's that little divot right there next to my screwdriver. So, the other thing I did was I fixed the drain plug. I didn't like how this washer tapped. It was pretty odd. So I went ahead and drilled it out. Then I got a brass fitting, and it's 3/8 pipe to 1/8 pipe, and here's the plug for it, and I got to clean that out, but that'll fit in there. That assembly is what was holding the 30 gallons of water and muriatic acid. So this is already proven to be successful, this solder joint here. So I'll be back in a little bit with more.